Colorful world. Red is bright, like apples so sweet, and fire that warms up your hands and feet. Blue is cool like the sky so high, or waves that dance as boats float by. Yellow shines like the big bright sun, or buzzing bees that have lots of fun. Green is fresh, like leaves on trees, or soft cool grass beneath your knees. Orange glows like pumpkins round, or setting suns that shine all around. Purple pops, like grapes so fine, or twilight skies where stars align. Pink is soft, like a flower's bloom, or cotton candy on a stick zoom. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere.